This mower is from 1984. It's only got a 30-inch cutting deck. It's pretty old, and it's not compatible with the mulching blades of today. But if it were, these are the blades I would get. I would get a set of these 3 mulching blades. They've got the blade and then these slotted angled pieces to really mulch up the ground. These are a game changer for professionals in turf care. Precision engineered replacements compatible with Hustler, John Deere, Scag, Freedom Z 48-inch decks and featuring Gator blade alternatives. Whether you run a commercial mowing business or maintain a premium landscape, these blades were designed to elevate your performance and profitability. They are identical to the OEM specs at
16 3/8 by 2.5, 0.2 thick with a 5/8 round center hole.
Each blade has a toothed profile, cutting the grass into fine clippings that return nutrients to the lawn and eliminate the hassle of bagging. Ideal for both smooth home lawns and rough commercial turf. Constructed from heat-treated steel, they resist wear and impact even in sandy or debris-laden conditions, as many operators have confirmed. Here's one review. He rated them 4.8 stars, praising their perfect fit and finish. Meanwhile, another user shared, "Best blade I found, rugged built, sand and dirt do not wear the blade away quickly, and it stays sharp longer than others." This combination of engineering and manufacturing makes them a cut above the rest. You'll have reduced downtime because the blade's going to last longer. You're going to have improved turf health with the mulching capability of these blades. And it has 3-pack. Most decks need 3 blades. This kit in one purchase, you get it. It's a great buy. You better believe the next mower I get is going to have these blades on it.